1, 2, 3, surprise! The amusement park is waiting! Whoa! We have been looking forward to it all year! Thank you! Rides! Oh no! The park's closed! So what do we do now? No clue! What's that? Hey, open it up! A toolbox! We'll build our own amusement park! Sounds like a plan! Let's clear out all the unnecessary stuff! Got it! Get to work! This closet is way too heavy! Would you give me a hand? I would love to! But in a different way! Delete! 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 Done! I've got an idea! Let's build our own bomber! A bomber! Oh no! What is it? My floor! Neighbors? Oops! Hey there! Worst idea ever! Forget it! A roller coaster, a carousel, a climbing wall, a haunted house, cotton candy, and trampolines. What shall we go for? I know! Let's consider all the ideas and land on one for the next ride. Here's an idea. Should we decorate the walls so they look like the pic? But I have a better idea. Leave the outlines alone and transfer onto the walls. Whoa! Nice! Let's start building the climbing wall. It's taking too long! Loading the rock cannon! Move! The first stone is done! Whoa! You're welcome! You can test the climbing wall! I will! Oops! We need a platform! Right at it! First off, let's measure everything! Fly! Easy! Voila! The platform is ready! This lawn is amazing! Phoebe, give me the lawn! It'll be a perfect floor! Whoa! But that's not it yet! An arrow, a cable, a bow! Bullseye! Let's hang the swing on the cable! Safety first! The ball pit is complete! I'm flying! Oops! Are you okay? I'm fine! That was awkward! Phoebe, help me out! I can't find my keys anywhere! I definitely left college with them! Let's go search! Not over here! Could they be in the closet? They're not there! What about under the bed? Did you find them? No! Guys, do you know where the keys are? Comment down below! I could eat a horse! Say no more! A huge ice cream serving! Only today and only for you! Whoa! Do you have anything bigger? Of course! A giant cotton candy! Even bigger! Yes! Giant popcorn! Awesome! I need a soda to go with this kind of popcorn! Mmm! Delicious! A haunted house is a must at any amusement park! It's just Phoebe with a huggy mask on! He doesn't scare me! Mark scares easy! I'm up next! Let's see if you are scared of Dennis! Save me! Wimp! Building rides is exhausting! What a great chair! And it rocks! Go, my loyal horse! Right! I'll turn the chair into another ride. We've got a horse's head, but something is off. A horse! Hey! You are so cute! The horse is mine! Not anymore! Let's hit the road! Giddy up! We gotta slow down when we're in a town. There is a forest coming up. We can gallop. Would you give me a lift to Troomland? No. Hang on. Nothing can stop me. But a brick wall can. Cheer up. I came up with something even better. What is it? What do you think? Cool. But what is it? It's a mystery box. Wow. There's a surprise inside. You have to guess what it is and press the button. I see. I'll give it a shot. Is it a doll? It's a Barbie doll. I was right. And we have a winner. Congrats. Close your eyes. Mark won't see that coming. Take a guess. It's… Ew! Gross! Ew. You did it on purpose! I didn't! We need a pool! It'll take him forever to blow it up. The pump will handle it faster. You are so right! Done yet? Sure! I'll get some water now! I can fill up the pool faster! Work smarter, not harder. Did I bring the bucket for no reason? Let's fill the pool with fish. What's that? Fishing is the main attraction. I'll show you the right way to cast the fishing line. Farther. Still too close. This guy doesn't belong in my kingdom. It's nice in here, but I gotta go. Enough! Go! It hurts. How accurate was that?
Whoa!
The trampoline will take an honorary spot at our amusement park. Mark, you might jump higher. I thought of something. What? I'll attach something to the top of your head. Now you really will reach the ceiling. Is someone ringing the doorbell? Weird. There's no one. Doorbell again. Who's there? What a sick joke! It might be the TV. I'd rather read a book. No, it's clearly the doorbell. Gotcha! Oh no! I'm losing it! Enough is enough! Whoa! A zoo! Stop! Pay your entrance fee first! Okay, here you go! Wow! How pretty! Hey, Bee! You are so fuzzy! I love petting you! I'm done! Look what's there! A giant cockroach! Cute! An elephant! I'm obsessed with them! Who's that? A unicorn! Want some hay? I don't eat that! Candy?
Yeah!
Love it! Another one? No! I can't even look at it! A tiger! Look! A glowing dot! Huh! It worked! May the best man win! I'll go first! Dream on, loser! An obstacle course is waiting. Move it! I have to win! How come the tunnel's so narrow? Phew! Finally! Did I win? You wish! So who's a loser now? Parents! Kids, what did you do? It's just an amusement park. An amusement park? Awesome! What? Help me get up on the slide. Hold on, Mom. A ball pit. My favorite. What's that noise? My neighbors again. Welcome to our amusement park. Would you like to visit our park? An amusement park at home is so much fun!